Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. I am Faisal Parish, the Director of the Global Environment Center, GEC. This video describes a bioengineering pilot demonstration initiative, which is part of the project on mainstreaming of biodiversity conservation into river management in Malaysia. It is being implemented in the Upper Kinta Basin, UKB, in Perak State to showcase alternative approaches to erosion control using vegetation and natural materials to stabilize slopes. The project is executed by the Department of Irrigation and Drainage, DID, Malaysia, with funding from the Global Environment Facility and UNDP. The bioengineering has been implemented by GEC and DID Perak with support of other project partners, including University of Malaya and the Public Works Department. The project started in January 2020 and ended in November 2021. The aim of the activity is to establish a pilot demonstration bioengineering initiative in the UKB catchment, which can be replicated in future at larger scale elsewhere. We believe it will be particularly appropriate along the Simpang Pulai-Cameron Highlands highway to protect the highway and reduce erosion impacts towards water bodies, rivers, and associated biodiversity.
The eroded area at section 45.9 FT 185 of Simpang Pulai Highway was chosen as demonstration site for bioengineering for slope erosion mitigation. 5 trial plots set as the bioengineering pilot demonstration site. The overall design cover type of soil stabilization, tree species, planting technique, and slope degree. Each plots are assigned to 5 vegetation compositions to investigate whether the plants are favorable and would complement each other in ensuring a stable and sustainable slopes. Shown are the detailed planting designs for all of the trial plots. Site visits, consultations, preliminary studies, technical workshop carried out with subject matter specialists also involved for overall planning as well as execution of initiative. Nursery for bamboo and other relevant plants for planting at bioengineering site. The nursery was established at Orang Asli Kampung Pawang village and served as source as well as storage for plant saplings before planting at bioengineering site. Bioengineering works step-by-step approaches. The same approaches were taken for Plot 1 and Plot 2, while different approaches for Plot 3, Plot 4, and Plot 5. A simple drainage system by using trenches were constructed. As part of monitoring, a customized silt trap was built. Manual flattening work were carried out at plots of uneven slopes and had worsening erosion. The biodegradable coconut core mat functions as slope protection as well as to hold the seeds and anchor vegetation. Vegetated geotextile, a soil bioengineering technique used, which wraps living stems with geotextile, while bamboo were used as barrier or breaker. Tree planting carried out at the site where Orang Asli from Kampung Pawang were engaged, which promotes local green economy besides traditional knowledge and new skills transfer. To date, the results of the initiatives done can be seen in the pictures shown for the plots that has been taken care of. Through lesson learned, the design enhanced for Plot 5. The project also managed to give additional biodiversity enrichment through natural regeneration and species influx. Beside that, coconut core mat, morning sun slopes, and species types play significant roles on the success of bioengineering initiatives.
everyone. I am Jamal Shaori, Director of River Basin Management Division, Department of Irrigation and Drainage Malaysia, as National Project Director for Project Mainstreaming Biodiversity Conservation into River Management. Our country is blessed with beautiful and vibrant rivers, and watershed management is vital to maximize the economic benefit of the rivers. There are 2,986 main river basins with a total length of 60,593 kilometers of rivers. One of the major issues in river management is river pollution, such as sedimentation due to slope erosion. This issue affected river carrying capacity, water quality, and also riverine biodiversity. As a way forward, the idea through this project managed to establish pilot bioengineering demonstration site in Upper Kinta Basin, Perak, to be as an example or model for slope mitigation initiative using the concept of nature-based solution. This project successfully managed to demonstrate bioengineering concept as part of slope mitigation methodology and have shown very good outcome, especially on slope stabilization, besides improving biodiversity through plant species and flood. I would like to welcome all related agencies and departments to explore and implement nature-based solutions such as bioengineering method and mitigative actions for environmental-related problems. I hope we can learn from each other in the process and do the best for biodiversity conservation. Thank you.
This is a great project and initiative to show bioengineering to achieve JPS mission while at the same time enhancing living rivers. This pilot bioengineering approach is good to improve overall riverine biodiversity and health.
Warmest greeting to everyone. I am Engineer Abdul Rahman Pandi, Director of Slope Engineering Branch, Public Work Department, Malaysia. Every year, JKR prevent more than 100 slope failures across the country with high repairs costs. Consequently, by using bioengineering, slope repair method is an alternative way to repair low-risk slope. This method was proven as much cheaper than conventional approaches. Therefore, by applying bioengineering methods in securing low-risk slopes really helps government in terms of saving government budgets. Besides that, most of the technique require lower cost in long-term maintenance, compatible with environmentally sensitive sites, and giving more aesthetical value to the slope surroundings. Through this project, we are able to perceive how the effectiveness of using bioengineering method in dealing with the issue of slope stabilizations work in Malaysia. Indeed, JKR is overwhelmed and pleased to be part of technical advisory group for this project. We are also looking forward to make more collaboration together on similar project in the near future. We hope that we can diversify our knowledge in bioengineering techniques from the future collaboration. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Normaniza Osman from Institute of Biological Sciences, Faculty of Science, University Malaya. My field of interests are plant ecophysiology and slope bioengineering. Soil bioengineering is a technology that uses engineering practices in conjunction with integrated ecological principles to assess, design, construct, and maintain living vegetation systems and to rapidly repair damage caused by erosion and failures. We believe with the right combination of plants that are fast-growing, have extensive root system, and with right planting technique, it will accelerate the process of plant succession, enhancing the biodiversity, consequently improving the hydrological as well as the mechanical aspects of the soil. Hence, it is my great pleasure to be part of this pilot demonstration. The outcome shows a success where the plots are covered by vegetation with time while the coir logs are still intact and the plots are more stable now. I hope many projects can infuse soil bioengineering method in slope protection program in the near future. Thank you.
The project engaged local indigenous communities in the construction and maintenance, thus providing them with alternative livelihoods. GC believes that bioengineering is the way forward for Malaysia since it is an effective nature-based solution that not only focuses on slope mitigation but also improves biodiversity, community engagement, and reduces greenhouse gas emissions. We hope soil bioengineering practices can be expanded and used extensively at other appropriate sites in UKB and elsewhere in Malaysia. Lastly, we would like to thank all our partners and funders for helping this pilot bioengineering demonstration initiative to be successful. Thank you very much.